Hey guys, it's Miss Julie. I hope you guys are enjoying our fun activities. Ooh, it's been so hot outside lately, right? So today I have a treat that will help you guys cool down. But first, we need to go wash our hands. So let's go. Now that we wash our hands, we can get our ingredients. The ingredients you will need for this activity will be plain white yogurt, a spoon, a bowl, and a silicone mold. Or you can use cupcake mold or ice cube tray, anything that you have. These next few things are optional: parchment paper, food coloring if you want to add some color, a plastic sandwich bag to help put it inside the mold, a marker.
I drew the shapes on the back of the parchment paper and then I flipped it over to put some yogurt on it.
And some granola bar. Now let's get started. First, you're going to want to scoop some yogurt into your bowl. Once that's done, you can use some granola bar or some fresh cut strawberries that you can help you.
Make sure you have a grown-up's help when chopping up the fruit or granola bar.
Then you're going to grab some yogurt, you're going to pour it, you're going to scoop it into your mold. Be careful, things might get a little messy. You can also use the sandwich bag to pour some yogurt in there. I put some yogurt in the sandwich bag. You can have a grown-up cut the little tip off of the sandwich bag. It can be easier for you to squirt some yogurt in the mold and it won't be as messy. You can also use this to fill in some of the shapes.
See, I'm filling in my square. And I'm going to fill in my triangle. And then my circle.
Now I'm going to have my special guest, Matthew, help me fill in the rest of the mold. He already washed his hands, so go ahead.
What color do you want? Red, my favorite color.
Once we are done putting all the yogurt in the molds, we set it in the fridge for about 2 to 3 hours.
After leaving your frozen yogurt bites in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours, just make sure you check and see that they're solid and they're not mushy anymore. They're ready to eat. Let's try it. It tastes refreshing. Well, there you have it, friends. I hope you enjoyed our fun cooking activity. Until next time, bye!